Ram, and welcome back to my channel Katia for everyone. In this lecture I am going to explain you how to design a hook joint, that is universal coupling joint in NX Unigraphics. And before going to that, I would like to share the installation software and the procedure to install. I have already explained you in before video. You can go there and just watch how to install NX student version in your personal computer, and also I'll be providing the link in description uh, for downloading the software and also to watch previous video. And let us begin the sketching. So let us see basic sketch of a hook joint, and this is the front view. So let us start designing the front view of hook joint. So coming here, basically we need a rectangle here that should be 16 to 30 mm. So let's select on sketch and see. I had lots of softwares installed here, so it's taking time. And we have to select a plane and click on OK. Then simply select the rectangle tool, and from the origin start sketching. And you have to apply the dimensions, that is 16 to 30 mm. So I am giving length of this side as 60 and just zoom this, and this side I was giving like that's 30. Now we have to draw a circle with radius 30 mm, and we have to trim that into a half, that is semicircle, and take circle. Now just trace the middle point here. See, you can see 30 by 30. I am taking that as center point, and specify the diameter as 60. That's it. Now you can just use the trim tool and you can trim off. And close. Now again we have to draw another circle, that is 20 mm dia. I hope that was 20. Let's try. Okay, now select circle again. Selecting this, dia was 20. Yeah, that's fine. Now simply finish your sketch, and we have to extrude that. It was given extrusion was so let us find it in theory here. Okay, yeah, it was 90. Let us extrude that to 90 mm. Select extrude command and just specify here. Just wait for some time, it's taking time to extrude. See, in dimension, in direction, you can even apply like you can remove direction, and you can also do mirror, like extrude same dimension on both sides. The option will be available, or otherwise I will be giving here value as minus 45, and here I will be giving plus 45, or simply you can give 90 mm on single side. That's not big issue. That's your wish, up to you in which direction or in which way you want to extrude it, you can. Now the thing is, we have to cut out a portion here. and then let's check out how much was that. See, we have to cut that portion, that is after extruding 90 mm. Now draw a rectangle 16 to 70 at 10 apart from all edges. Okay, now let's select this plane for sketching this plane. Okay, now I have to cut it like this. So I am selecting a rectangle here, and then I'm giving rapid dimensions. This was